is Rachel Jester and graduating in 2012, and my research project is on the feeding habits of woodpeckers. I was looking at niche partitioning within species of woodpeckers. These are the 4 that I was looking at. I would go out and I would look at the frequency that they were feeding on branches and trunks. When I analyzed the data, I did not find a significant difference between males and females feeding and between species, but with the larger sample size, Pleiades shows 100% and the red bellies shows 0%, so I think there would be a bigger significance there.